Hello and welcome to WTech All. In this video we will be learning how to create this banner effect for heading widget in Elementor. I have already prepared the custom CSS for this. I will go through the CSS and I will show you how you can make the required adjustments for this banner effect. Okay, so for this particular section the background color is controlled directly in the Elementor heading settings. Okay, in the background you can adjust this color. Okay, so this is a section where you adjust the color. Okay, this background color, and as you can see there are three parts to this this effect. Okay, there is this main rectangle which is controlled completely by Elementor, and this banner end and this end, both these ends are another section, another content, and as you can see the small triangle over here, this is the third section for this this effect to work. Okay, so first we will check the left content of this banner. Okay, as you can see there is the left and right banner content. So the first section here will any changes made to this section will affect the left side and the right side. Okay, so this is for the positioning and for controlling both these layers simultaneously. Okay, with like for the rules that are same, that you can use this section. Okay, so using this section, what you can control, you can basically control the height of this section, this content. Okay, by adjusting the border. You can adjust the border to increase the height. Okay, according to your requirement. I'll use 1.3 for my effect. Okay, and to adjust the position, the height of this, not the height, the position, the vertical position of this content, you can adjust the bottom setting of this one. Okay, if I put 1, you can see that is moving. Okay, so using this, so using the bottom settings in left right banner content, you can adjust the vertical positioning of both this content. Okay, now also to change the to change the color of this content, you will have to use the custom CSS. You cannot control this in Elementor because Elementor does not have the property or the CSS role to make any effect here. Okay, so the color to this content need to be added manually, that you can change here in the border color. If I change it to red or maybe green, you can see it changes. So the color of these two content can be changed here. I'll just revert back to the previous one. Okay, and now to adjust the positioning of these two contents. Okay, first one is the left content, that is this one. To align it horizontally, you can to align it horizontally, you can change the left position here. Okay, for the left content, if I change it to 3, you can see that it's moving for 5. Okay, so that's how you horizontally change the position of this content. Okay, and okay, now let's see the same effect, same settings for changing the right content also. Okay, so that's the right content, and I think that's all about okay, now if you want to increase the width of this content, you can adjust it in the border left width here. Okay, for both the contents. If I change it to 2.7. You can see that the width is increasing. Okay, so I'll just revert back to 1. So that's how you adjust the width for this content. Okay, so now let's come back to the small triangle over here. Okay, so to adjust the vertical position of this small triangle over here, we can use the bottom settings over here. If you change to okay, this is not required. Okay, so to adjust the height of this small triangle, you can you have to individually change them. Okay, so for the left triangle, you can adjust the top position here. If you change it to 4.3, 5.3, you can see that it's vertically changing. I'll just revert back to 3.3. And for changing it horizontally, you can use the left and right settings over here. Okay, so if I do 1, you can see that it's moving there. Okay, I'll just revert back. And if you want to increase the width, the size of this one, you can adjust the border width here. Okay, now it is 0.8. If I change it to 1, and here also 1, you can see it's becoming big. So you can adjust it according to your layout. Like if your heading is if you want a big heading layout, then you can adjust the height of this one. Okay, so I'll just revert back to 0.8 and 0.8. Okay, so that's how you create this nice banner effect. I will be putting the link to this custom CSS in the description. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. So see you in the next video. Thank you.